टुडे वी विल डिस्कस शिना हरूफ तहजी में इजाफी हरूफ। ये हमारी जो वीडियो सीरीज है इसमें सेकंड वीडियो है। उर्दू में रे जे which are in Urdu alphabets, and the re, when you put 4 dots on re, it becomes re. Now we will cover few words on this special Shina alphabet, letter in a Shina alphabet. Brother, bai, ra. Medicine, dawai, rabati. Grapes, angur, rat. To leave, रवाना होना, रशबू। टू पुल, खींचना, रश, रशथूक और राशथूक, both are correct. Rush is in central Gilgiti dialect, rashthuk, rashthuk in Bagroti dialect. So both are correct, but in two different ways of saying this word in Shina language. So now we are covering few nouns. Ruk, kidney, gurda. In Shina it is ruk when there is one singular. When there are more than one, that is plural, ruki. Similarly, next is donkey, gada, rakun. When more than one, donkeys in English, and in Shina, rakuni, that is gade. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for watching this video.